We all want to be great. At least I wanted to be great. Not now. When I was a kid, I read about Alexander the Great, Napoleon Bonaparte, Martin Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi, Don Bradman, and being one of these personalities seemed a good idea. I mean, that was my first exposure to fame, and being one of these personalities seemed a good idea when you're that person whom bunch of kids are reading about you in the school, in the textbook, or some ugly ass professor is giving notes to these kids about how great your life was because of your sufferings and still you made it to this greatness. I sure wanted to be famous, and I sure wanted to be one of these people. No matter how much I criticize greatness, I still feel lucky that I was born in the time when I had learnt about the word great much before I learnt about the word Instagram, Facebook, follower, subscriber, and everything else. As I grew and reality hit me, I realized that not many of us are going to make it to what is called the gallery of greatness. And come on, odds are against us. Look at your class. Whom do you think is going to be great? You don't have an answer. You may be the girl with the highest Instagram followers in your class, but that's not going to make you the greatest Instagram user of all time or greatest Instagram model of all time, whatever. You sure may have got the job of the lawyer in some big firm, but even you know that you're not going to be the greatest lawyer of all time. At least I don't know who was the greatest lawyer of all time or who was the greatest engineer of all time that Google hired. No one knows about them. You may sure be the person posing for what they call candid on back of a sunset, having that, serious look on your face and pretending as if no one is clicking your picture, writing some cheesy captions, which people would read about it and then say, oh my god, this is deep. This guy writes deep stuff. You sure may impress a pussy, get a bunch of likes, and somebody may follow you, somebody may slide in your DMs and say, oh, you're the model material field. Okay, being the cream in your discipline is still doable, but what I'm talking about is being a genuine great human being. How many of you have heard about it? Because anyone can be great. It's just that we are mistaking greatness with fame. An engineer who works 9 to 5 in a big firm, working his ass off whole day and then taking 2 hours cab back home just so that he can put some bread on the table for his family, so that his children have a better education than what he had and they can pick their career with much freedom. That is greatness. If you are a student who's doing a part-time job along with your education, paying your own fees so that you're not just a big ass burden lump of shit on a parent's pocket, that is greatness. Cheers to you. Brad Pitt is a great actor, but he didn't become great because he wanted to be great. He became great because he put in work in his acting and he loved what he did. Martin Luther King did not give two shits about how he was going to be the greatest African American that the world has ever seen. He was doing what brought meaning to his life. Even Mother Teresa, she didn't know what greatness was. At least I can tell you, she was not doing because she wanted to be great. She wanted that fame. She wanted likes and 1,000 subscribers and millions of subscribers on YouTube. She was not working for that. She was working because she loved what she did. You may be the number one person in your field. Usain Bolt is the greatest sprinter today, but so was Asafa Powell a decade back. Sachin Tendulkar is the greatest batsman today that we know, but so was Don Bradman few decades back. And so there's going to be someone else. People knew Ronaldo before. People now know Cristiano Ronaldo. People also knew Ronaldinho in between. It's just a phase. Greatness is the reward you get after you give meaning to people's life and your own. Greatness lies in sacrifice, but what's the point of reward? So that you're motivated to work for a reward, but if you work for a reward, that only makes you asshole. Greatness is what you cannot strive for. Greatness is what you get because of your actions. Yes, actions is the word. The daily course that you do, the tasks that you carry out on day-to-day basis. But the point is, you just cannot be great because you want to be great. That's not going to work. You have to do what brings meaning to your life and the life of others. You have to transcend yourself beyond reward, beyond comfort, and beyond everything. You have to sacrifice and suffer and find the true meaning in your suffering. Once you reach that point in your life, you'll be in that zone where you won't give two shits about what is great and what is not, and how can you be the greatest person of all time. But sadly, that will be the time once you'll be great.
All y'all brand new niggas just scared to death. I'll take the life of anybody trying to change what's left.